What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about AMP, which has dropped quite a bit in the last 24 hours. As you can see, it is down just over 4% and it's currently trading at 0.003 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to drop further? Is it going to pump anytime soon? Is now the right time to buy it, sell it, or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up or drops down further before you can buy the dip? So we're going to cover both buyers and a seller's point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can AMP go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking at the Coinbase website. The market is down just over a percentage, with Bitcoin, as you can see, dropping over 3% in the last 24 hours, going to the lower end of the $27,000, nearly hitting $26,000, which is not looking too great, and that is one of the main reasons the crypto market is down in the last 24 hours. But anyways, today's focus is on AMP. As you can see here, in the last hour, 0.1% down. Over the last day, just over 4%. Over the week, 80% down. Even though it has had its peaks here and there in between, overall it has been moving towards the negative direction, which is not looking too great. And over the month and overall, 20% down. So it has slowly been declining in its value over the last 4 weeks, consistently dropping in value. And once again, guys, at the moment it's moving towards the red direction, or the negative direction even, and it's likely to carry on that way. But again, when is it going to take a U-turn and head towards the green direction is what everyone's waiting for when it comes to AMP, because it's been dropping quite a bit recently. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by, not gone up, it has gone down, as you can see, making it $4 million. And again, the only reason why it's gone down is because the value keeps dropping. So not many people are buying it, not many people are selling it. Most people are just holding on to it, seeing where it goes, what it does, and hence why the trading volume keeps dropping every single day. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple at 0.003343 cents. However, it is trading at slightly lower value here in green at 0.003 cents, meaning it's not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have a mixed signal here. We've got the blue line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line is clearly heading negative, looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from AMP over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting AMP to be more or less trading at its current price range with very minimal dips and peaks in between. We are going to see green and red candles up and down, but the overall outcome over the next 12 to 14 hours seems to be more on the neutral side, so more or less trading around its current price range. But again, that doesn't mean it's going to be consistently be staying at exactly where it is at the moment. What I'm saying is it's going to be hovering around its current price range for the next 12 to 14 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Not looking too great, guys. We've got the blue and the orange line still looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction. But in this case, obviously, we've got both the lines looking bearish, meaning more drops in value are on the way for AMP over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say by mid next week, we should expect AMP to have gone for an overall drop in value. And guys, that does mean it's going to drop below the 0.003 cents target, meaning it's going to drop to about the 0.002 and then whatever it is. But yeah, that's not too good. But again, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to have pumps in between, little bit of green days here and there, but of course the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from AMP, exactly like how it's been performing over the last week. As you can see, is down 8% and is likely to maintain that the value where it's likely to drop another about 8 to 10% in the next week or so. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Still looking bearish, still looking negative. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking negative, heading towards a bearish direction, meaning an overall drop in value is once again expected from AMP over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So in this case, I'm talking about early to mid July 2023. However, guys, we should be able to head towards the green direction at that time if the crypto market manages to recover. At the moment, it's all looking red, not looking too good, like it's going to keep dropping, but I am expecting Bitcoin to have recovered by that time, going above $35,000 by mid to late July 2023, and we should see most cryptocurrency follow a similar pattern to Bitcoin, meaning pumping back up in value. So what I'm expecting from AMP is also an overall increase in value by mid to late July, depending on how the crypto market performs. For example, if there's any major crashes or major pumps or anything like that, this will have a major positive or negative impact on the crypto market in general. But anything like that, that's why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on AMP, guys. Hopefully we should see more green candles towards, let's say, early to mid June and late June 2023. So over the next 4 to 6 weeks, we should be seeing it slowly starting to recover and potentially head up to the 1 cent target in Q3 of 2023 is what I'm expecting. But again, you guys have asked for regular updates on AMP, which I have been doing and I will be doing as well. So if you guys want them to keep coming, let me know so I know how many of you guys are interested in AMP. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also, guys, if you guys do have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, comment them down below and I'll be more than happy to do those for you guys. And yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, as I'm trying to hit 100k, and at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe. So why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.